Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $2649.45. Okay, and there is a narrow pattern forming if you look at this particular trend, and chances can be high that if the price keep moving above a level of 2659, there is a chances that it can cross a level of 2667 dollars, because this level is already being weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross this level, and chance of touching a level of 2676 will be there, and from there a level of $2686 will be there. Okay, and if the price moving above that particular level, we can see it will cross that particular zone, and chances of crossing 2719 will be there. This level is also being a weak resistance, so probability of further upside will be there. Okay, but if the price started falling below this particular level, a level of around, you can say, 2618, then there is a chances that it can come towards a level of 2608, and then this particular pattern will break towards downside, and chances of crossing below a level of 2600 will be there, and then to a level of $2588, and then a further fall. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, see, dollar index plays an important role. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Looking at the dollar index, I've clearly explained you that the dollar index will go further upside after a level of 102, which I have already explained you in my previous video. You can check, see the how it has moved sharp. Okay, because there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside, and chances was very high that it once started sustaining by 102, it can touch a level of 104.5, and I have told you that after 104.5 it can go towards 106 also, and can go towards 108. See, now the price has touched a level of 109.6, and chances can be high a further upside movement we can see, because we have seen this level in November of 2022. That means almost 2 years has passed, and we can see the dollar index can go further upside. So when I'm saying the dollar index started going upside, we can see the gold price will come down. Okay, when the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. This you have to understand. But suppose sometimes they both moves in same direction. So whenever you always try to put your SL, okay, so your capital will be safe, and always try to trail your SL, your profit will be safe. These two things you have to do. So now if the price come again towards 108.5, we can see a bounce back can come. Okay, but if started falling below this level, it can fall towards 108 or then further low. But if the price started going above a level of 108.5, we can see it will touch a level of 109 to a level of 109.5, and then to a level of $110. Okay, and if started going above this level, a further upside we can see. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come towards a level of $108.8, and from there a level of 108.5. Okay, and once the price started falling below that level, we can see a level of $108. Okay, suppose if the price falling below a level of 108, chances of touching a level of 107.5 will be there, and then to a level of 107. Okay, if the price started falling below 107, a further downfall we can see. Okay, so you have to understand 108.5 is a strong level. So if it's bounced back, then it's good, but if it didn't sustain that level, we can see a level of 108, then it can move further down. Now coming back again on the dollar index, now coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, clearly explain you that suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $2649. After that, it can cross a level of 2657. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it will go further upside, and we can see it can touch a level of around 2667. Which sustain this level, it can move towards a level of around 2669, and this level is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go further upside, and it will touch a level of around $2687. Okay, 2687, it will cross that particular zone, and a probability is high that it will touch a level of $2716. This $2687 is already being tested, so chances are high the price will touch a level of 2716, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of, after 2716 we can see a level of 2721, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $2731. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above 27.31, we can see it will cross a level of around 27.50, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see. Okay, and once the price sustain above 27.50, you can see the price can go further upside. So you have to understand, you have to trail your SL. Okay, if you trail your SL by $5, when the price volatility is high, you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again towards a level of $26.38. Okay, but if the price started falling below a level of 26.38, probability is high that if the price started falling below that level, we can see a level of 26.28. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $26.09. This $26.09 is already being a weak support, so chances are high the price will go further down, and then it can touch a level of, after 26.09 we can see it can touch a level of $25.97. Okay, if the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 25.83 will be there. Okay, and if the price moving below that particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of 25.66, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see it will touch a level of around 25.63, and then a further downfall we can see towards $25.49, and then a further low. This is the zone breakout, so you have to understand that. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.